Good day, students. Today we want to solve problem involving bearing and distance. Let's analyze the question. An aeroplane flew from town A to town B on a bearing of 75 degrees. Draw your cardinal point. This is the north, east, west, south. An aeroplane flew from town A to town B. This is town A to town B on a bearing of 75 degrees. And this 75,075 degrees to town B. That's the north, west, east, and south. Then 75 degrees to town B. Okay, from this north to east is 90. We assume this to be 75 degrees. A distance of 150 kilometers. At B, it changed its course and flew to town C on a bearing of 135 degrees. From here to this, from north to south is 180. Assume to be this one to be 135 degrees. Let it be longer than this line because the distance is 200 kilometers. The north, east, west, south. That's 135 degrees, distance of 200 kilometers. Make sure the line is longer than 150, so that's approximately it will be seen that it's longer. Okay, and we also calculate the distance between A and C. This C between A and C. Yes. Now this is small letter B opposite to this angle. This small letter C and this small letter A. Now this 75 is alternate because this line is parallel to this line. The 75 is alternate to this. These are 75 degrees. From here to here is 180. 180 minus 35, that's 45 degrees. Okay, the total angle here now will be 120 degrees. And we also calculate the bearing of C from A, what it takes to turn from north for this line to this point. That's the bearing of C from A. Before then, let's use cosine rule to get the distance between A and C. Here's cosine rule. I'm figure 1 using cosine rule. And cosine rule, we have B squared equals to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC. AC cos capital letter B. Okay, now your B squared equals what's our A? 200 squared plus c 150 squared minus 2 times 200 times c 150 times cos b is 120. Cos b is 120 degree, and 200 squared times 200 that's 40,000. That's 40,000 plus 150 squared times 005 times 1 0052 5 times 1 5 plus 2 7 1 times 0 0 times 5 5 1 times 1 005 22,500 22,500 that's 150 squared plus 2 times 5 2 times 200 times 150 2 times 5 2 times 200 times 150 you have 60,000. How do you get that? If you want to use normal calculation, 150 add 3 zeros times 2 2 times 0 2 0 0 0 carry 1 2 times 1 2 plus 1 3. Okay, that's 30,000 times 4 times times 2 times 2,000 times 2. I have 0,0006, that's 60,000. To confirm, times cos 120 equals 120 casts this from 124 is 0 to 90 degree. Second, at this point we have only we have 90 to 180 degree. Second quadrant. Okay, this first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. And at this point is only sign that is positive, and is subtractive for 180. You have minus cos 60 degree b squared, because that's 40,000 plus 22,500. 40,000 plus 22,500 you have, that's 62,500 minus 60,000. Negative is positive, turn this into positive, times cos 60 is half, that's half, 0.5, 30,000. We add it together. We need to do it multiplication before we move to addition in board mass. Multiplication before addition. When you add it now, you have 92,500. 2,500 b squared. Find the square root of both sides. 92,500. These two cancel the square root. our B now. Therefore, our B now equals, when you find the square root, you have 304.14 kilometers. That is the distance between A and C. Now the second part, which is the bearing of C, to get the bearing of C from A, means that what it takes to turn from the north to this line to get to C. That's the bearing of C from A. From means where, from the source. So okay, when I say from, it's from that particular point to turn to the line to get to the C. I use sine rule. Using sine rule, which is let's pick this A over sine A equals A over sine A equals B over sine B. What's our A? Our A is 200 over sine A that we're looking for equals B, that's 304.14 divided by sine B, sine 120 degree. When you cross multiply, we're having 304.14 sine A equals 200 times sine 120 degree divided by 304.14. This cancel this out. We have sine A equals 200 times sine 120 under the quadrant. It falls here 90 to 180 past. The only sign that is positive, that means that sine 60. 120, you can check, you can press calculator direct, but if you are using four figure table, look for sine 60. You have 0.8660 divided by 304.14. Sine A equals 200 times 0.866. You have 173.205 divided by 304.14. 304.14. We do the division. We do the division. Sine A equals 173.205 divided by 304.14. You have 0.5695. A equals sine inverse of 0.5695. A now You press second function, sine. When you press that, you have the angle A to be 34.72 degree. Now to get the bearing of C from A, the bearing of C from A now equals angle NAB plus angle A. Okay, it's angle A. Now have 0.75 degree plus 34.72 degree, because when you do the addition, you are in 109.72 degree. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.